बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं मास्टर स्क्रीन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ CS610 कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के मिड टर्म में आने वाले मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड रिपीटेड MCQs विद करेक्ट आंसर्स आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। The first question is, the demand of sharing is very high because many computers need to use the shared networks. The options are wide area networks, shared networks, unshared networks, local area networks. The correct option is shared networks. The next question is, most NICs contain dash circuitry that allows the NIC to operate independent of the CPU. The options are DMA direct memory access, multiplexer, transceivers, none of the given. And the correct option is DMA direct memory access. The next question is, thick Ethernet is known as 10 base 5, 10 base T, 10 base 100, 10 base 1, and the correct option is 10 base 5. The next question is, the first automated tool required to see whether the given computer is online or not was. Options are probing program, ping program, status program, none of the above. And the correct option is ping program. The next question is, the basic responsibility of network interface card is dash: to access medium network, to resource allocation, to access memory, all of the above. The correct option is to access medium network. The next question is, no error detection scheme is perfect because transmission error can affect dash: data, additional information and data, transmission medium. And the correct option is additional information and data. The next question is, dash has advantages arising from the size and ease of computation. Options are CRC, parity, checksum, byte stuffing. And the correct option is CRC, cyclic redundancy check. The next question is, the third field of the header consists of dash bit Ethernet frame type. The options are 48, 32, 16, 8, and the correct option is 16. The next question is, the Ethernet standard specifies that frames are sent using the dash. The options are differential Manchester, not return to 0, Manchester encoding, return to 0. And the correct option is Manchester encoding. The next question is, local area network that use ATM technology have a dash. Options are bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology. And the correct option is star topology. The next question is, hardware that calculates a CRC used two simple components. Options are AND unit and exclusive OR unit, shift register and exclusive OR unit, shift register and AND unit, shift register and shift exclusive OR unit. And the correct option is shift register and exclusive OR unit. The next question is, network interface card acts like a and dash. Options are input output device, output device, all of the above. And the correct option is input-output device. The next question is, fixed network is a type of network which is classified with respect to the dash factor. Options are size, connectivity, medium, mobility, and the correct option is mobility. The next question is, wide area network is used for. Options are city, building, country, none of the above, and the correct option is country. The next question is, IEEE LLC / snap header is dash which is used to specify the type of data. Options are 8 octets, 8 bytes, 8 bits, none of the above, and the correct option is 8 octets. The next question is, most local area networks that employ ring topology use an access mechanism known as dash. The options are CSMA-CD, CSMA-CA, CSMA token passing, and the correct option is token passing. The next question is, the gigabit Ethernet hardware operates at the rate of dash. Options are 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 1000 Mbps, none of the given, and the correct option is 1000 Mbps. The next question is, a network uses dash if all computers attached to a central point. The options are ring topology, star topology, hub topology, bus topology, and the correct option is star topology. The next question is, dash is also called self-healing network. Options are ATM, FDDI, token ring, none of the given, and the correct option is token ring. The next question is, which is designed to help detect transmission errors, send one extra bit of information with each character. The options are checksum, CRC, parity, VRC, and the correct option is parity. The next question is, hardware addresses must be dash on a local area network. Options are common, unique, simple, all of the above. The correct option is unique. The next question is, a dash relies on the hardware manufacturer to assign a unique physical address to each network interface. The options are static addressing scheme, configurable addressing scheme, dynamic addressing scheme, none of the given, and the correct option is static addressing scheme. The next question is, the satellite or radio topology in which all computers are connected to each other via satellite or radio wave is kind of dash. PAN, personal area network, local area network, broadcast network, point-to-point network. The correct option is broadcast network. The next question is, dash was especially concerned about the lack of high-powered computers. The options are ARPA, IEEE, EIA, none of the given, and the correct option is ARPA. The next question is, computer networks are often called dash because they use packet technology. The options are Ethernet, switch networks, packet networks, none of the given. The correct option is packet networks. The next question is, local area network is used for. The options are city, building, country, none of the above, and the correct option is building. The next question is, formally named dash, informally known as the twist pair Ethernet or TP Ethernet? The options are 10 base 2, 10 base 5, 10 base T, none of the given. And the correct option is 10 base T. The next question is, an interface for twisted pair Ethernet must have an dash connector and must generate signals according to the dash specification. The options are RJ45 and 10 base T, RJ45 and 10 base 5, BNC and 10 base 2, BNC and 10 base T. And the correct option is RJ45 and 10 base T. An interface for twisted pair Ethernet must have an RJ45 connector and must generate signals according to the 10 base T specification. The next question is, a bridges function in the dash layers. The options are physical, data link, network, physical and data link. The correct option is data link. The next question is, a bridge can dash. The options are filter a frame, forward a frame, extend a local area network, do all the above. And the correct option is do all the above. The next question is, a bridge forwards or filters a frame by comparing the information in its address table to the frame dash. The options are layer 2 source address, source node's physical address, layer 2 destination address, layer 3 destination address. And the correct option is layer 2 destination address. The next question is, dash makes your IP address. The options are incognito mode, VPN, antivirus, firewall. And the correct option is VPN. The next question is, dash is used for audio and video since these have predefined maximum data rates. The options are constant bitrate service, variable bitrate service, available bitrate service, none of the given. The correct option is constant bitrate service, CBR. The next question is, an dash method. The network hardware designers specify how type information is included in the frame and the value used to identify various frame types. The options are explicit frame type, ideal frame type, implicit frame type, none of the given. The correct option is explicit frame type. The next question is, when an application dash data, it makes a copy of the data available to all other computers on the network. The options are broadcasting, multicasting, unicasting, none of the given. And the correct option is multicasting. The next question is, local area network interface may use dash to copy frame data directly from the main memory. The options are DMA, FDDI, CSMA CD, none of the given. And the correct option is DMA, direct memory access. The next question is, local area network and wide area networks are classified according to their dash. The options are size, connectivity, medium, mobility. The correct option is size. The next question is, a network with dash jitter takes more time to deliver some packets than others. The options are 0, moderate, high, low. And the correct option is high. The next question is, A network uses dash to arrange computers to be connected in a single closed loop. And the options are star topology, dual ring topology, bus topology. And the correct option is ring topology. The next question is CBR stands for dash. The options are constant byte rate, constant bit rate, connection break recovery, none of the above. And the correct option is constant bit rate. The next question is which one of the following is a method for computing routing table information? The options are manual entry, static routing, boot time routing, none of the above. And the correct option is static routing. The next question is which one of the following is the responsibility of Dijkstra's algorithm? The options are to compute the shortest path between two nodes, to extract next hop information from path information, to insert next hop information into routing table, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. The next question is routing table is used to keep the information about. The options are destination, medium of transmission, routers used in network, all of the above. And the correct option is destination. The next question is frame relay is dash. Connection oriented service, connectionless service. It is typically ranged from 5 Mbps to 1000 Mbps, none of the above. And the correct option is connection oriented service. The next question is which of the following is not a guided medium? Twisted pair, cable fiber optic, cable atmosphere, coaxial cable. And the correct option is cable atmosphere. The next question is metropolitan area network is used for. Options are city, building, subcontinent, none of the above. And the correct option is city. The next question is which of the following statement is true regarding ATM? Options are ATM is a single technology that is designed to meet the goals of both local area networks and wide area networks. ATM uses the concept of connection oriented networking, both A and B, none of the above. And the correct option is ATM uses the concept of connection oriented networking. The next question is Dijkstra's algorithm is used to compute the dash. Options are shortest path between two nodes, number of nodes used in the network, distance between different nodes, none of the above. And the correct option is shortest path between two nodes. The next question is dash is used among the autonomous system. The options are BGP, IGP, EGP, none of the given. And the correct option is EGP. The next question is due to revolutionization of IPv6, the speed has increased from 56 kbps to 512 kbps, 512 kbps to 1 gbps, 56 kbps to 1 gbps, none of the given. The correct option is 56 kbps to 1 gbps. The next question is TTL stands for. The options are time to learn, time to leave, time to live, none of the given. And the correct option is time to live. The next question is IGP stands for Internal Gateway Protocols, Interior Gateway Protocols, Intermediate Gateway Protocols, none of the given. And the correct option is Interior Gateway Protocols. The next question is Dash encapsulates IP datagram as data area in hardware frame. The options are Network Interface Layer, Data Link Layer, Network Layer, none of the given. And the correct option is Network Interface Layer. The next question is Class A mask is 255.0.0.0 which is used for dash. Options are unicasting, multicasting, subnetting, all of the given. And the correct option is subnetting. The next question is VBR stands for dash. The options are virtual byte rate, virtual bit rate, variable byte rate, variable bit rate. And the correct option is variable bit rate. The next question is a network analyzer is also called dash. Network supervisor, network monitor, network administrator, network manager. The correct option is network monitor. The next question is there are dash type of data stuffing. Options are 5, 1, 2, 0. And the correct option is 2. The next question is which of the following is correct function of bridge? The options are routing information exchange, byte stuffing, filtering and forwarding a frame, MTU path discovery. And the correct option is filtering and forwarding a frame. The next question is point-to-point topology is dash, size based, connectivity based, mobility based, medium based. And the correct option is connectivity based. The next question is public networks are dash, intranet, flexible, limited in boundary, more secure than local area network. And the correct option is flexible. The next question is 10 base T Ethernet is often called a dash. The options are ring shaped star, star shaped bus, star shaped ring, ring shaped bus. And the correct option is star shaped bus. The next question is PVC stands for dash, permanent virtual circuit, public virtual circuit, private virtual circuit, public virtual circuit. And the correct option is private virtual circuit. Thank you for watching for this video. Subscribe for more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.